How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your MSI monitor not turning on. So when this happens, basically this is related with our hardware. So it could be your connection or just the OSD setting itself. Fixing this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that everything is plugged properly on the back of your monitor. So from here, you have your power adapter. Now you will know that it is plugged properly if your monitor turns on. And you want to try different source or input sources right here. So if you have tried this HDMI 1 slot, you want to try the second. Same thing with the display port and the second display port. From there, to fix this problem, we have probably chosen the wrong input source. Once again, there's going to be multiple right here. So to navigate through this setting, just click on the navigation key behind your monitor, similar to this one. And then this OSD setting will show up. Navigate through the input source, and then you simply want to select the right input source where your cable has been plugged in. From there, your display will then show up. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.